Mercedes with Italian.
So there we go. What we're gonna do today, I'm gonna put this coilover, the MaXpeedingRods, on my SL500 with 200,000 miles on it. So I'm gonna do a review and check how that is working. It's like I said, it's a very cheap coilover. It's like $3.99 for all of that. But I see that there's no review online of this coilover for my specific car. So we put the first one in. Right now we're gonna put the other one. Try to figure out lines, take out the lines, and let's see how they're looking over. So, change it. Over here we have, I don't know if you guys can see it over here. You can't, but I put that MaXpeedRods coilover for my SL500. So far, I drove the car just from the mechanic to home. I feel it like it's a little bouncy on the back. I put like this type of coilover. I have like 24 clicks, and I have 16 clicks on the front, and I already have 24 on the back. So next step will be try to squeeze up a little bit more, like the back coilover, the spring, and see if that can help. Other thing, it's my mechanic told me that it's gonna take at least another, week or two to settle. I'm gonna figure it out, or I'm gonna try to put some weight on the back too. And today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drive it. I put the other camera over here to see how bumpy it is. So after I think a week and a half, ride is good. It's good. It's just a little bit bumpy on the back. If you guys see, I have 17 inches on it right now, so I feel like it's don't looks like it should, but I think like if I put like 18 or 19 inches, it's gonna be fine for the gap. And other than that, it's very good ride. I'm happy. Like I said before, $400, very good spending. So, what I think about that MaXpeedRods coilover, I'm happy with that. I'm really happy how they feel. And the fact that when I drive my car right now, I don't have that sensation that, something like ABC is going on out in some point. And and the price is, they are very cheap, $3.99 for a set of 4. It's unbelievable. Like I say, there was so many pro they found, and I'm gonna do another review, in 3-4 months to check up, check how, if they still deliver the same, adjustment and everything else. But in the end, even the spring, it's a regular spring. It's like, I can change and swap it with regular spring. So, so far so good. I really, if you're looking for something cheap to put in your SL500 or SL R230, mine is because I have 195,000 miles. It's like, I don't feel like I need to spend $3,000 on a car that it's that high mileage. The engine, it's working super good. I can't believe it, how light it is, the car, and how that smooth is the engine right now. And so far so good, guys. I hope this video helps somebody. Let me know in the comment. Okay, ciao.
Mercedes with Italian.